I've got a pipe here to repair. It's a diesel leak-off pipe off a Japanese engine. That's been brazed in there and it's actually broken off. You can feel where it wants to go. That's the sort of place it wants to fit. But as soon as I put heat on here, it's going to lose its good fit and fall apart. So I need to make some sort of jig to hold it in place while I silver solder it or while I braze it. So what I thought I would do, I'll put a nut and bolt through there and I'll tack weld the bolt onto the bench. This side will be clamped down. Then I can use that to hold it in place and hopefully get some silver solder into it. The first thing we'll do, we'll just tack the bolt onto the bench just so it can have a nice firm anchor point. Right, so we've got it held in place. In case now we're trying to get some solder around there and trying to make it a decent repair. Right. We're going to use silver solder to repair it. Some flux onto the flux running into the joint. The flux is starting to go fluid there. Putting the heat on the big part. Right, it's just about ready to go. Right, and that's hopefully the solder's run all the way through there. Right, you can see all the solder's run all the way around the joint. A little bit of clean up, a little bit with a file on there where it's amazing how the stuff runs. Very happy. I've got an old book spanner set up here in the milling machine, and I'm going to make the jaws bigger, make it bigger to fit me AR32 collet chuck. I often buy decent quality spanners at car booth sales. You get them for next to nothing. They're good material. When you don't have to use a milling machine, you can use a grinder or a file, and you can make them fit any size nut you want. There's a fair bit to come out, so what I'll do, I'll machine both faces first, and then a little bit off each side until I get it to fit the nut. I'm going to take more off the top jaw, I think, because it's a stronger looking jaw on the spanner. I'll have the measurements to exactly what we need out of there. it'll need 5 mil, so I'll take 2 mil off each side and then go from there. Now that's a 2 mil cut. A little bit too much for it. Back it off to 1. That's better. Just about it. Should be its last cut. So we've repurposed another spanner that fits on there quite nicely. Just the job. Back on with the brass again. I've got to make 2 more special nuts for the steam engine. This time they need to be 3/8 width and 3/4 of an inch long. Slow things down a bit. Looks like a nice sharp thread in there. Take a chamfer on the outside edge. 3/4 of an inch. Just there. Right, I've obviously got a little splinter or something in there. It's been niggled on for 2 or 3 days. I've got a clean cannula. I'm just going to break the top. Oh, you bastard. That hurt. There's definitely something in there. You see the... That's it there. That's a little piece of wood, a sliver of wood. I knew it wouldn't be metal. It had to be friggin' wood, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Right, so that's what's been causing all the pain and discomfort for the last 2 or 3 days. Bastard's out now. I would like to make this bleed and make sure that it flushes any in and out of there, but it doesn't want to. I'm sure it'll heal up by itself now. Now that's out of there. Now we'll leave it at that. And see if that goes. That swelling should go down in the morning. I'm definitely getting out what was causing the problem. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes that come in. Anyway, thanks for watching.